Hello guys, how are you today? I'm Aurelia Octavian Gardi and I'm from 3rd grade science program from Smaxinelli St. John Paul II Labuan Bajo. And now guys, I'm so bored, so because that I will share you one of fairy tales with title The Bad Wolf and Smart Animals. Once upon a time, there lived three piglets with their mother in a small house. It was time for them to leave their home and learn to live on their own. Their mother called the three piglets next to her. My dear children, the time has come for you to go out into the world. Go and start your new lives, but don't ever forget, whatever you do in this world, do the best you can. This is the only and the best way to stay alive. A little said with a bit excitement, the three little piglets said their goodbye to their mommy and were on their way. After a while, they found some pieces of land where they could build their own home. The youngest piglet was determined to build his home with straw. He thought his was the easiest and the fastest way to build a home. That's why he had heaps of time to play. The youngest of them all finished his house in one day. They yelled out to the other piglets, "Hey, you guys, I'm already finished." The elder piglets had a look at the house. Okay, but the house doesn't look safe at all. How will we protect ourselves from the wolf? The youngest piglet didn't take any notice of his brother. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. The middle piglet dedicated to make his house out of wood. From the branches he had collected in the woods, he decided to build a little cabin house. His house took exactly 3 days to finish. This house was a bit more sturdy than the one with straw. The eldest piglet walked over towards him. "My dear brother, you have done a great job, but this doesn't look safe at all. Its house going to protect us from wolf?" The middle piglet answered, "Don't worry, this house is very safe." Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. While the two little piglets were having a great time to their newly built homes, the eldest of them all was constantly working because he was building a home from brick and ropes. The other piglets thought that his effort was endless. All they did was play around and kill time. Why would you bother with this when you can quickly finish like we have? Hey, how scared is he? The eldest piglet didn't bother listening to them. He worked for one whole week and managed to finish his house made out of bricks and ropes. A day later, a hungry wolf arrived near their home. He first stood in front of the house made of turf. The little piglet was resting in his house made of trap. The wolf knocked on the door. "Open the door and let me in. If you don't, I'll huff and puff and blow your house in. You can't do anything to me. My house is steady enough." And so the wolf puffed and puffed and blew his house in, but with great effort the little piglet managed to get away. And off he ran over to his brother's house made from the branch. The knock on the door, and when the little piglet opened the door, the little piglet threw himself inside the house. "Hey, close the door. The wolf can come in here." "Don't worry, he can do anything to use in this house." After a while, the wolf come by the second piglet's wooden house and yelled inside, "Open the door and let me in. If you don't, I will huff and puff and blow your house in." "You can blow my house," answered the wolf, puff and puff, and he blew his house in and brought it down. Both piglets ran to the third piglet's house and barely got away from the wolf. Brother, the wolf is going this way." "What were we going to do?" The old piglet answered, very sure of himself. Don't worry. The wolf cannot come in the house." A little later, the striving wolf climbed by the third piglet's house and bricks and stone and yelled to the three piglets, "Open the door and let me in. If you don't, I'll huff and puff you and blow your house in." "Don't you even try, you bad wolf. You cannot come in this house." The wolf got very angry. He huffed and puffed, but nothing happened. He could not bring his house down. He tried and tried, but he couldn't move one single brick. Finally, being excited, the wolf decided to try another way to go in. She saw a chimney up on the roof and started to climb. Realizing that the wolf was going to climb up on the roof and come down the chimney, the piglet quickly lit up the fireplace right under the chimney and put a big bucket of water on the watch. The wolf barely climbed up the chimney and threw himself in and went straight into the boiling bucket. "Help! Help! I'm burning! Save me! Help!" Finally, being free from the wolf, the piglets hugged each other with joy. The three piglets went to their mother's house the next day to tell her all that had happened. The youngest one came next to his mother. "You were right, Mommy. Whatever we did in this world, we have done it to our best. If you really work for something, it will be a success." From that day on, the two piglets were never lazy. They worked hard like their big brother and lived a happy, safe life. Thank you.